Mari Carter's three-finger test. This is the best way to check your edge. Okay, let's do the quick check. Not bad. First, let's quickly check out the edge condition. Not really good at all. So some of you may be wondering, why am I dressed like this? It's because I just watched Back to the Future 3 on YouTube for free. I haven't seen that movie for a long time. I watched it when it first came out in the 90s. So this video is about how to restore beaten up kitchen knife. And this is Sugimoto CM2524. I will clean up the bar with Spyderco Ultra Fine. CM means chrome molybdenum. So this is the stainless steel version. They say it rust resistance. They don't call it stainless. And this is kinda my favorite, the real world work knife Sugimoto. This is HM2524. I used it a couple of days for new work. I may have to touch it up. I didn't buy it. I got this one for free. It has, I believe, 2 or 3 previous owners. It's pretty badly beaten up, but still it was fixable. If it's too much work for me to fix it, I wouldn't touch it. But this is usable, and I'm going to take it to my new work so I can rotate them. So what is the important thing when you fix rounded off edge and broken tips? First, about broken tips. Always try to remove as little amount of metal as possible. Don't try to do the major work without Dremel. This knife has two previous owners. Looks like somebody tried to put the back bevel on it, which is a big no-no. So I may have to fix it, but don't try to fix everything all at once. Well, the rule number one is don't try to fix every single problem all at once. First, you just have to make it usable. Using 1200 Atoma diamond plate. Because diamond plates are always flat, you can use it for checking the straightness of the backside, for example. Okay, it's not that bad. So don't get impatient. Don't start trying to create a sharp edge. No, you have to grind down from the higher place. Don't focus on the edge. Focus on creating the bevel. And keep your elbow down, so ideally your forearm is parallel to the sharpening stone face, not like this. I was wondering how to edit this video. If I edit with just a sharpening sequence, the video gets really long and it would be really boring, which isn't a good thing. Nobody's going to keep watching it. So I will make it multiple parts, and this video is just about to give you an overall idea about what it's like to fix a beater. What you can do is press down the edge side and then apply rotating torque like this. So don't let the knife to stand up, but you do twisting motion. You apply the torque this way and then press it down. Then you can remove metals much faster, especially when you, in your head, remove the metal at leading stroke rather than trailing stroke. Overall, it wasn't that bad. I was able to finish it under an hour. Realistically, it took like 45 minutes to make it usable. In the beginning of this video, I showed you before and after. So I am pretty happy with the result. And you can do the same thing if you follow what I just said. Don't try to fix everything all at once. There is a difference between sharpening the knives for showing on YouTube and sharpening your knives for your actual real-world kitchen work. Especially if you are actually working in the restaurant. And I have to make newspaper sheath for this one, CM2524. But if you really need plastic edge guard, buy the cheap one without felt lining. I still like newspaper one better though. Well, I guess that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.